23. We have done a lot of cuisines. We have gone around the world, and for a couple of weeks we'll try to go around India and its beautiful vast array of different cuisines. So this time or this week we're going to be in the western coast called the Konkan region. It goes from Maharashtra and Gujarat, that area, down to Goa and beyond that. The main features of this cuisine are seafood. So you see a lot of seafood here. They do have meats too, but mainly seafood. And then a lot of coconut, tamarind, a lot of garlic. So you'll see all of those ingredients, and in majority of these cuisines you'll see that we will make a paste out of some spices and coconut and other ingredients, and then we will use that as part of the cuisine. So today what we have, Dudhiya Khotkhotein, or it's a pumpkin dish. I most probably didn't say it right. It's a pumpkin dish with some paste made from coconuts, tamarind paste. The pumpkins are steamed and then mixed with the masala or spice mix, and then served over garlic oil. So garlic infused oil. We've made a little bit of changes here and there. So for instance, I'm not using a regular oil. I'll use a mustard oil. So I think it will give it that extra flavor to it. Not konkani, I know, but wanted to use that, and maybe use a little bit of black mustard in the oil as well to temper the cooked pumpkins. So let's start cooking. So first, to make the paste, so we have grated coconut and some tamarind. And in this we have coriander seeds, garlic and red chilies. So we'll add those, and then to make it a paste we'll add a little bit of water at first, and then as we need to we might add a little bit more. So we'll puree this. You can see this is formed into a nice paste now. So we'll use this. We've been steaming the pumpkin. It's still not done, maybe a couple of more minutes. The pumpkins have been steaming for about 5 to 7 minutes. We'll take it out because we'll cook it again. So you can see here, what we'll do is we'll put a little bit of salt, and now we'll cook the paste or the gravy, and we'll cook the rest of the pumpkins the rest of the way in the gravy. We'll add a little bit of oil. And to this we'll add the paste, and this is Jaggery, so about a teaspoon and a half of Jaggery. So we'll add that. We'll let it come to a boil. Let's add a little bit of salt. Let's taste it. It's spicy. We'll add a little bit of salt. It needs a little bit of salt. And then we'll add the pumpkins. The pumpkins are cooked most of the way, so it will not need as much time. I'm going to slowly turn it over so that you don't break it. We'll let this cook and let the water evaporate fully and become a thick gravy. In the meantime, we want to cook the garlic. So we have a little bit of oil here. This is mustard oil, and this is what we'll temper the vegetables with. You can see that the oil is shimmering just a little bit. So we'll add the garlic, the mustard seeds. Not too much, you don't need too much. And we'll add the garlic. And we'll turn down the heat to low. And we'll cook it till the garlic turns brown. Dudhiya Khotkhotein, or a spicy pumpkin. I don't know if I want to call it a curry, but certainly a spicy pumpkin dish from the Konkan region of India. Hope you enjoyed it. Very simple to make, easy, and really tasty. So do try it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.